Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make very berry banana muffins. My daughter picked this recipe out for me, so let's try it. Let's get started. This recipe calls for 4 bananas, so we're just going to mash those all up first. I only had 2 very ripe ones, and I'm just going to use 2 regular ones for this. This recipe is a vegan recipe, so we are trying some vegan butter with balance. The recipe calls for 1/3 of a cup melted. Just break it up into some little chunks so that it's easier to melt in the microwave instead of being one big chunk. Okay, it took about 25 seconds in the microwave to melt the butter. Add a 1/4 cup of applesauce, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll add 1 cup of sugar. Okay, now we'll add 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1½ cups of whole wheat flour. Okay, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to spray a muffin tin with some cooking spray. I'm going to fill the bottom portion of each of the muffin cups with our batter, and then I'm going to add some berry medley pie filling into there. That's what it's called. That's where I got it from. Yeah, pie filling and topping. Called for preserve, so I'm trying that. All right, now we take a toothpick and we swirl it around to try to get some of the filling all kind of swirled around in the muffin. I'm gonna try a wooden skewer, it's a little bit stiffer. And now we bake them 15 to 17 minutes. We actually went out for an extra 10 minutes because they were really not done. We'll try one more time, stick a toothpick in. It's coming out dry. I'm just gonna go for like 2 more minutes and then we should be good to go. Okay, here are the muffins, all fully cooked. You can tell if you stick a toothpick in them and the toothpick comes out dry. And as you're poking the toothpick in, you want to have a little bit of resistance. You know that it feels fully cooked all the way through. So now we will just let them cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down below. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite type of muffin is. If you want to see another one of my videos, you can click there. If you want to subscribe to me, click there. I'm gonna try my muffin. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Very good. Daughter picked out a good one. Bye-bye.